Adelia. She's not coming through for a visit, but she's gonna wave as she goes by. We're gonna be getting some rain. And I had an idea. Oh my God, for realsies. Okay, it looks pretty good now. Yeah? Okay. Mofo. Got it. Okay. So, man, my glasses are fogging up. My camera's fogging up. Can you see this? Do this. Okay, there we go. So, this is her. And so what I'm going to do, instead of spiraling, I'm just going to put it down as that pattern, and we're just going to let it rain on it and see what happens. So I've got, from this picture, tangerine, lemon, parakeet, and bluebird is the colors that I chose. So the yellow going over into the blue will create that green. And so I'm going, now that it's not raining, it's coming, I'm going to put the dye powder down, I'm going to zhuzh it, and then I'm going to put a cover over it so it's not just sitting out here just waiting, you know, for bugs and stuff to crawl across it. So I'm going to put my phone here, and maybe you can see if there's not any glare. And we're going to go with, in the center, just like this. And we're going to go around that with some tangerine. So we got some tangerine in the center, and then it comes around like this, and then a little bit more up here like this, and then we'll do some more up here. That tangerine, I should have maybe used soft orange, the way it's breaking out already. And then we gotta go with some yellow to overtake that. So coming down here with some more yellow and all the way around. And then up here. All the way around. All the way around. Wrap around. Okay. Here. Yellow. And then I gotta go in with some parakeet, because I need the parakeet to touch all the yellow so we'll get some green. So we're gonna go along this side and over here, down here. By itself. And then I'm going to go in with the bluebird and do all of the outside edges with the bluebird. So we got some bluebird up here. I've got a tip. Woo! Is it for black magic? If you're clumpy, like this is super clumpy, do yourself a favor. I'm going to put your name and the bottom of the screen so people know who gave me this creator. Gives me some of the best tips. I love this creator. So put some soda ash with your really clumpy dye powders when you are either you know, ice dyeing or hot water irrigation dyeing, and it helps them disperse better. So see there, yeah, a lot nicer. So I'm just going around the edges then with the bluebird. And then we will give it a zhuzh. I need him on my yard. Not going to use him for a couple of days. I wish that this is something that I could sell, that I could auction, that I could then donate to hurricane relief. Why is something of such destruction? How can it be beautiful? Is what floors me. When you see this, you see the colors, and you know, as a color artist, a tie-dye artist, I immediately go, oh, that pattern is beautiful, and then, you know, it hits you that that's devastation happening to families and people and businesses and properties and animals, and I mean, it's destruction. So this is in no way lighthearted what I'm doing. I'm doing it. It's going to rain as an experiment in tie-dye. We're going to get some rain, so let's tie-dye in the rain. We've done it before as a tie-up, but never as a quoted fingers, like trying to paint a portrait. By painting this portrait, maybe, you know, help bring awareness to the people who live on the coast, who are in the pathway of these storms. Storms are everywhere. In the Midwest, it's tornadoes. On the West Coast, you know, it's wildfires. So much natural devastation happens where we live. And it's just a reminder to be compassionate with the people. Give when you can. Send the good energy when you can. And be humbled. And not laugh and jeer. And PSA over. My heavy heart's coming out. So I'm going to cover this up until the storm starts. Better. I may have jumped the gun because it's now 1 o'clock and it still hasn't rained. And so I put all that out there at like 11:30. And what's going to happen is it's going to start to dry out, and the soda ash is going to dry. It's going to be a fiasco. Maybe I'll help it along and spray it with just a little bit of water, because it looks like it might start raining here any minute, but you know. Okay, it's 3:33. Woohoo! Angel number. And it's trying to start to rain, but look at this. In my yard, it has rained to here and stopped. And then going on this side is dry. And on this side is where my project is. Look, the top of the bucket is dry. So it's only raining in half my yard. I ran outside, I got all excited about it, and I think I'm gonna wait just a little bit more before I turn that bucket back over. Never been so disappointed that it... Okay, it's 6 o'clock, and it's finally starting to rain. So this is where we're at. Oh. Wait, this is the front. This is what it looks like underneath. Oh, the back is gonna be really cool.
That's what it looks like. Eee.
Well, we got the rain. It's 10 o'clock. And I'm going to put the bucket over the top of it because I think we've had enough rain. That bluebird, I think, is just going to take it over. But check it, wash it in the morning. Okay, the rain has stopped. It's 9 in the morning. Okay. Oh, I just turned the hose on. There she is. And we are going to just rinse it out right here. Oh, I should probably pay attention to what I'm doing. This opens up a whole new idea of art for me. You ready? Here it is. This is so cool. I mean, this is so cool. There's, for a first time, for playing around in the yard in the rain. Okay, I knew the dye was gonna set because we have done tie-dyeing in the rain before. In a spiral, I think it was a spiral or scrunch. I don't know, it's been a minute, I've slept since then. But is it tie-dye if we paint an image with the powder and then do ice or hot water or rain to set the dye? So is it tie-dye or is this just some kind of dyeing experiment? But it's a representation of the picture. Pretty good one. Now where it was laying on the grating, look at the back, which is still kind of cool in its own right, but you can see the grid, the grate of where it was lying on there. So somehow I would like have to suspend, maybe flat and suspend to where there wouldn't be the marks on the back. So we had a fun experiment today in the rain. Oh my goodness, I don't think she ate all her dinner. Hang on, come on here, lay down. My old dog. I don't remember where we were. So this is what we did today. We did an experiment with dye powder and rain. And we made a picture. And I want to do it again. If you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe. I'll make sure I put it in a playlist so it's easier for you to find. The channel's loaded with content. Right now, we're focusing on the tie-dye. And remember, be peaceful and be kind. It's important. Look out for one another. We don't know when the next storm is coming. I'll talk to you soon.